Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today, let's talk about the differences between wood windows and vinyl windows. Here we go. Wood windows are inherently beautiful. Most times you're gonna look at a Anderson window, a Pella window that have the wood eagle windows, and they're a very, very pretty window. The components they use, very great. They're just way more expensive. Whenever somebody is looking at replacing windows, and if they get a quote from a vinyl window and a wood window, they'll notice that the wood window is about 3 times the price as a vinyl window. One of the reasons is whenever you're doing a wood window replacement, you're basically doing a full tear out, which is going to be, if you have stucco, you're going to break stucco. You're going to pull the entire windows that are there now completely out, reflash the openings, and set up your new installation, and then have to come back around and re-side the house or re-stucco. It's a very, very costly option. For some, they don't care. They want the wood style windows, and that's fantastic. It's a great, great system for you. The cool thing about wood windows is if you like to repaint your house a lot inside, you want to change the color of the inside of the windows. I mean, if you want a green interior window, that's fine. I mean, a wood window is going to be great because you can just paint your windows green. The thing about the wood window also is that it's a natural material. It was once living. It's gonna need a lot of upkeep, sanding, refinishing. Also, it is susceptible to rot and termites. So it's a very expensive window system, but it's also a very susceptible window system. The other thing that you gotta make note on is that the warranties on these very expensive windows are not gonna be very good. Just FYI, you're talking 10 years, 20 years max. And glass breakages, things like that, that's just not gonna be covered under their warranties. Again, keep in mind the amount of maintenance that's gonna go into that. If moisture gets into the window, you can see it to start
warping, and all of a
sudden the energy efficiency goes out the window, no pun intended. Problem is you have your seals opened. They're gaping open now at this point because the window's bowing or something. It starts to impede the operation. A lot to talk about with wood windows. You can do the exterior, you can do like an aluminum clad, which you're gonna see with all the manufacturers of these wood windows, where the interior is gonna be the pines or the mahoganies. I mean, really, really cool designs. And that's great. It's gonna help keep a lot of the heat, the sun. It'll wear that down instead of directly on the wood and creating cracks, which you'll see with wood. If you're not keeping up on it, you'll start to see the wood window cracking. So that aluminum clad on the outside or composite clads on the outside is gonna help protect the exterior of the window. So I've covered a lot in wood windows. Now let's talk about vinyl windows. There's different grades: cheap, mid-grade, high-grade vinyl windows. I only use high-grade vinyl windows because of my customer aspect. I want to make sure that the customer is receiving great customer service, and also they are receiving a great, great window that's going to have a beautiful warranty. Now, the beauty of vinyl, it's going to be more cost-effective for you. So, like I was saying, it's about 1/3 of the cost of a wood replacement. And the majority of the customers that we use are doing a retro style window. They don't want to break stucco. They don't want to tear away all the old window frames, reflash, and then do interior drywall repairs and things like that. So the cost-effective way would be to do a retro replacement. You're not gonna be able to do a retro replacement in a wood window. It's just, they don't offer that, and it's probably not the way to go anyway. Vinyl, you don't have to worry about much of the maintenance. It's pretty much maintenance-free, other than washing your windows. Taking some Dawn dish soap, wash your whole window while it's closed like it's a car. That's pretty much it. And you lubricate the interior of the window with some dry film lubricants. It's a really, really easy to maintain style of window. And then also your warranties. On a great vinyl window system, you're gonna get at least a full lifetime warranty. And a lot of window manufacturers will also cover accidental glass breakage. It's a complete opposite of a wood window system. Wood window systems cost more, you're not gonna get quite the warranty, and there's way more upkeep, whereas a vinyl window is gonna cost you less, very, very durable. The warranty is going to be excellent. Things to keep in mind whenever you're deciding whether or not you wanted to go with a wood window or if you will be happy with a vinyl window system. Hope this helps. Thank you guys.
Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Santa Barbara area and you are interested in getting replacement windows or doors,
don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. You can click on the Get a Free Quote and fill out that information. I'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you want to be kept updated on new videos that are coming out, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.